Good morning. Are you Michael Davis?
Yes, ma'am.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the motion?
You will, Your Honor.
Mr. Davis, the best you can, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. You can put your...
If I may, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Just for the court to understand, he has received, which is part of one of the allegations, he received a DWI, which he's already been sentenced to out of Harris County. He got 5-year probation for 10, I believe. And part of that, which it's not in here, is that he's received something that's comparable to SAFE. I think they call it STAT or SAT. It's a 6-month program in Houston. But our intention is to plead to this and do an updated PSI, and we'll go accordingly with whatever he thinks. Huh? Oh, I didn't know that. I'll say just go through the motion, and then we can figure out if it's.
Okay. And Judge, I did speak with the prosecutor over there in Harris County. They were aware of this motion and they still led him to probation with that program. Obviously, he can't go to it with our case open.
Right.
I think he'd be okay if I can just talk to him. He may be okay with the 1244.
So in light of that, we made an alternative offer. The court would allow to dispose of it with the 1244 since he's been in custody so that he can get to that program.
Okay. Do you want
It would
to...
just be on
I'll
the
hold it.
probation.
Okay.
I'll hold it for a minute.
Just go back out and do that. That was.
Okay. And had we already gone through the motion? Not yet.
No, we haven't.
We haven't. Good morning. You're Michael Davis. Mr. Parker, will your client waive the formal reading of the motion?
You will, Your Honor.
In 19-32496, Mr. Davis, I have a motion to revoke your community supervision. Shows that you were placed on probation May 3rd of 2021 for the offense of driving while intoxicated with a child under 15, and that was a 2-year term in prison that was probated for 4 years. Is that correct? It alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you committed the offense of driving while intoxicated 3rd or more February 5th of 2025 in Harris County, Texas. And is that true or not true?
True.
Count 2 alleges that you failed to provide verification of performing the community services required. Is that true or not true?
True.
I'm sorry?
True.
Okay. Count 3 alleges that you failed to provide verification of having the auto ignition interlock device on your vehicle. Is that true or not true?
That's not true.
Okay.
I've had the interlock.
That's okay. We'll just put not true for 3. Count 4 alleges that you're behind in your court-assessed fees as of January 31st, 2025 in the amount of $2,146. And is that true or not true?
True.
Count 5 alleges that you failed to maintain your drug patch as ordered. Is that true or not true?
True.
And then count 6 alleges that you failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Department by mail or online for the months of July, August, October, November, and December of 2024. And is that true or not true?
True.
Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true?
Yes, ma'am.
I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Parker?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Davis is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Davis, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to revoke your probation, and at this time, revoke your probation. Reassess your punishment in accordance with this agreement to a term of 1 year in the Jefferson County Jail under Section 1244 of the Penal Code. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm going to hand you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. And when you were initially here and placed on this probation, you were given the admonishment with regard to possession of a firearm, correct? All right. Give me just a second. Okay. All right, you can go back with the bailiff.